The content in this video is for informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional for personalized guidance regarding your health. Do not disregard or delay seeking medical advice based on anything presented here. Imagine squeezing toothpaste onto your toothbrush. But wait, what's really inside? Today, we unveil the surprising truth behind toothpaste. Many popular toothpaste brands contain harmful ingredients. Fluoride, triclosan, and more could impact your health. Let's dive into what these ingredients are. Fluoride, linked to health issues, is often celebrated as a cavity fighter. However, studies reveal potential risks. Triclosan, used for its antibacterial properties, may disrupt hormone functions. Next, sodium lauryl sulfate, or SLS, can irritate skin and eyes. Artificial sweeteners may seem harmless, but could lead to health dilemmas. Ingredients like fluoride are linked to significant health risks. To learn more about the dangers of fluoride and all the risks it entails, there is so much information that it deserves a video on the subject. Leave me a comment if you are interested. Unfortunately, the FDA doesn't require safety testing on these products. Now feeling concerned? Let's explore natural alternatives. Miswak, a natural toothbrush alternative, has been used for centuries. It contains essential oils, promoting oral health. The Miswak is used simply by rubbing it on the teeth. It guarantees strong teeth, fights plaque, makes teeth more beautiful, and gives you fresh breath. It is also available in powder form for those who want to make their own toothpaste. I have an idea. Want to create a homemade toothpaste? It's simple. Mix 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and 5 drops of peppermint oil. Embrace natural options for your dental care. Remember, your mouth deserves the best. Use natural alternatives and switch to safer dental products. Invest in your health and choose wisely. Want to learn more about healthy living? Hit that like button, drop a comment, subscribe for more, and share with your friends. Appreciate the support. Thank you for watching.